Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple crochet hat with puff. These are the materials that we will be needing today. So let's just get started. First we're going to start off chaining 17. Once we are done chaining 17, we're going to do half double crochet in every chain. So we're going to yarn over, go on the second chain from the hook, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Once we are done with our first row, we're going to chain 1 and then we're going to turn our work. So now we're going to half double crochet in the back loops of every back loop. That's where we're going to put our half double crochet. This first one I did the single crochet, but that was an accident. But we're going to do half double crochet in every back loop across. And we're going to repeat this for 23 rows. Don't forget this last stitch here. Sometimes it's easy to miss. Once we are done with our 23 rows, we're going to chain 1 and then we're going to put our 2 ends together. Once we do that, we are going to slip stitch the 2 ends together. Once we finish this, we're going to chain 1 and finish off, leaving a long enough tail to weave in the top. So now we're going to take our yarn needle and we are going to sew up the top. So I went from corner to corner to corner, or side to side to side, but you can sew it up however you see fit. want to make sure there are no holes left and just finish off. Once we're done with the top, we are going to attach yarn at the bottom of the hat, and we are going to single crochet into every stitch across around. When we come to the end of the round, we are going to slip stitch into that first stitch and chain one, and then we're going to do another row of single crochet. After you finish this second round of single crochet, we're going to finish off and weave in our ends. Now we are moving on to our faux fur. So I measured this piece out. I measured one side 8 inches and then the other side 7. This particular fur I thought was so pretty, but it sheds like crazy. It's a disaster, honestly. So now that we have our piece cut out, now we're going to take our needle and thread, and I started from one corner and I went to the next corner, and then I repeated for the opposite 2 corners. This next step is totally optional, but I want to give it a little extra oomph, so I just stuffed it a little bit with just a little stuffing. Once you're done stuffing it, continue sewing from corner to corner until it's all sewed up. Our last step is to sew our puff right on top of our hat, and we'll be all finished. Now our hat is all done. So that concludes today's tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.